to another video. This is your one and only chubby princess, US based blogger, Hotbox 237. Any other one wanna say a duplicate. Any other one. Pom pom pom. I said because the one no gala. The one no bontio. Anything I ever see hot, na just the fear. Because no, at the chakara de coconut as day for now. Yes, my people, my hair is story plenty for table. See, I'm to story day. But no, how was I go start? Oh, now hold me though. Oh, now hold me a bit. Because how go start? The story plenty. That's the way I talk say, I get my drone. My drone, they bring me this. My drone, lie, as you be blogger. You know, but they for a site. People them, they send you story. People them, they send you this name. They say, like, if you see some story where the version that bring her out, when a personal story, when a person can hide the identity, you know, a story where he pay for. Even the version don't pay for that story, the version that they try to do this. I don't hear some story say, if you give story, it will hook you up with man picking. If you give the version that story, it will hook you up with man picking. But it go hook people they up now, bang up kind of people them try. When I know bang up, they sting. I saw them bang up fan the way they for they said. So don't be told me that the version that when hook you up, he don't get money for pay you. He defines someone as oh kwakoro oku for some village also banga smuka. He take a hook you up. They say no, he don't set to you for your payment. Say the version like wicked. Sam, you know me, you over wicked. How much you go to hook man up with papa them because they give story. Man need money to go give a master. The grand say, I don't see. I'm say your own street now. I don't understand. How people that story me told me. You know, I can hook people up with master them. Hook people up with master them. I said, then the other story, me told me again for any activity. You see it, it was show Dubai YouTuber, they say he be the mother of all the the other YouTubers, the way they don't claim, say they other is mommy. So, that was a ever surprise me. Me in particular, nobody ever surprised me because at day all sites, story the me in the box. Then the original FBI didn't have Dubai, so it dig out thing. Yes. I say how market grand as it. And yes, of story na me I go talk up. I say the version and the fight of Papa for France or for Europe. Make I go marry one of some Dubai YouTuber bring her for Europe. Aye. My people story test time no day. The version that you have proof the other you have proof like Queen there, so you have proof Hazel Ayok there, you have proof people they say no, he get condition, he do this. He the find man they now for Europe for do hook up for them, make them marry, they bring them. Una go hear the rim brakata now for different side to not for me. Because no, they told already me to me. I just give the privilege with the people they talk their story. Because if I was start talking, I don't mean I will laugh, they will just can't kill me that killer for you. Because the bush rat, I don't even understand. I'll tell you about that. I make. The man picking me with the hook and make go marry some person for Dubai. The man don't see the person for Dubai, so I need a question man. No, and they ask me my question. The man with the Europe, when they say they want hook it up with some Dubai YouTuber. Yeah, story do the boss outside. When I'm up there, pee. When I want to talk, that story do the boss outside to. You go hear your voice until your heart go cut. I beg my people tomorrow go blood for voice of the voiceless. So I beg when I run go down for days. See, Dubai YouTuber want marry surprise a friend them. Not have to say unity na good thing. Wait, not have to say unity na fine thing. Man go married for when you that celebrity. I say call yourself. You call all my man camera, they call they say that celebrity. I don't be celebrity, I beg. Man camera, I say be celebrity. If married, they get to colleague them. Able colleague, good colleagues, families for Dubai. You are doing a hide married. Now CEO that he don't know how they go do pay small thing for you. Now say what join on a American Europe, so I don't care Europe. You don't want to work off to I but people, I beg, that one aside. They come now for Ogbontior. Me I be Ogbontior. They don't care. All man again on social media, they say I'm a food traveler. I say, I'm a food traveler. No. So what you do, what you don't do, say me. Oh, Bontio. I'm a food traveler. I prefer for be food traveler. I work a country America that for be would have seen all food traveler. In this some of the country where they see. See, my people, and the story where they meet up in as the Vegela, aka Dirty Bed, where you go be confused yesterday for what else Sunday for a show talk about Dr. Fred. Dr. Fred, police don't put hand for the Vegela. Police matter don't enter for the Vegela. I said, they said, you be running talk to you go run go catch voice of the voice. I said, you use now food for go reach Dubai. You do what kind of food for go reach Dubai? I said, if I don't give for this one. Now in that Dr. Fred, almighty Dr. Fred, Dr. Fred, if you leave Dr. Fred, a dope talk say, you repeat the tip be the talk for you though. If you leave a Dr. Fred, just pick the phone. He call Italian police. That's why they broke Italiano. That's why they broke Italiano. When I know say me, food traveler, pass through 15 different countries. I buy my way. Money no. Money suck. Hey! Una they talk say food travel. If una no fit ever try am, una no fit there because una no get the money. People wey they get you, they work out, they get the money. So I give applause for them. I pass 15 different countries, Spanish countries. So that Italiano way, doctor, you know, say Italiano don't be like Spanish. So I pick some few words there for day, and understand what it talk. So the whole today I pray say as I don't come back for work, so I go find time. I go out spend about 2 hours or night. I try to translate that this in them. Try ask some spelling there for Italiano. Then because my only way I understand of Spanish, I put that for down. Then I come back for the house. I can translate that Dr. Fred is Italiano language at Teuna because it's not bad. The patient truly get usually face depression. Oh. Yes, they get usually face depression because they can't talk about Dr. Fred. They talk now, and they talk out of topic. Doctor, I don't tell you say if you did drag rope with some person, the person they leave am. When a big pass when we be house girl. You know that girlfriend a gallant. You know that girlfriend get. You didn't make us with for Italy. So you will be a refugee. When you have that their document, they see shake for your hand. You can't go coach that kind of girlfriend them. Me, some case come from my table at the way I'm on. At the way some case them. Yes, I'll be very transparent. I tell you now. At the way some case them. You go come since you have claims to be unapologetic, you be notorious blogger. You just carry girlfriend, you rubbish, you talk the any kind thing. Lie one and plenty. Only that name then are correcting. You lie. You don't drag that girlfriend face, you talk that girlfriend, not talking or nothing. You can't ever show because you lack content. You lack thing for talk. Now so that be content creator there. But you lack thing for you go bring all story, the whole picture. They say you're Ghana, they under that platform. They ask you say, no, na whole story this. You coach that girlfriend don't call na police for your back. Who do when the result of I must find Dr. Fred number. Me, I'll tell you on national television. Yes. Me, I will find now. Ugo must translate that language of you. Ugo translate, I can bring up for my basically and them. No, I go must translate them. Any man we no one see me make go jam me head for war. Because basically the food traveler for 15 countries. Yes. Now in this phone, national television, broke on the coconut. I don't want to see all my basically, I don't want to fight now. My fan them when I get right for go any side. I don't even stop any of my fan them. Now why they say blogger and CEO for a channel, why fans them they fight each other? When they see Big Brother, the Nigerians, the way that fan they fight to the cause conflict between the CEO them. Now so blogger they get to be. I don't get to go play my blogger, my fan they fight. I go put my comment on that. No, I don't do that. But if you come for my platform, put your point for the I did answer you for my platform. If you see me, I drop some comment for under some person in the platform. No, say don't talk something way. I say I agree with them. I just say yes. Are they support? Are they all sides? Are they find information? I mean international information finder. I go put that so. You know easy for work of 15 countries they cash for you to see crack with the same color the energy day. So any man you try like say you wait, una get to Galan. If any man come for this family, I can put the camera, he get to check the family background. He check himself. He check whether even a wait. He stand fine for play stand. Yes, I'm a very respectful soul. I talk now wait I see him. I talk now wait I know say it be good. The fire when I say for my hands so you over jaga. He over jaga jaga. And they all pash am, pash am. Only forget that we not make moves on jaga jaga part there for day. Yes, my people, man overtake una go plenty for day. Una only know say me I be ogbonto. I be ogbonto. I dey give respect to who respect need to be given. Yes. But you see the version as we don't over drag rope with Dr. Fred. So I need to pray say Dr. Fred do harm. I need to pray anything. But now only for negotiate them. Because the version no. If the person know for teach you some small lesson, me they teach you now only small lesson, make understand say when you meet up girlfriend, you know, you give them that respect. That kind of respect you can't talk on social media say and they give respect. No. You need to give respect because you don't drag the man and the family and everything. Do all that thing for that man, but the man will say be quiet. But now don't call you police. Now na best them that we be say I don't know why they work and I can't reach that Dubai. Would still wait and I go wait till I don't know the time. Yes, my people might enter for the two it bring me before I'm vex. If you see, they don't talk for this channel, but they talk say if you see person where you follow some kind of platform that you know who that person they go both they ever talk. Say if you are married person, you go for your Facebook page, they talk always that person be. But now fake profile they don't come. Fake profile don't come people they create fake profile hide their own identity there for day. But you go see YouTuber where you can mount the camera, a vibrant youth who can mount the camera, will talk about your life, talk about your fine thing. The mommy they can't drag it, put her for themselves. Grandson they drag it, just spoil me about this girl life. The who's girl they talk about? We talk about Emma Class. A small YouTuber I don't even know about it. I can't YouTuber I don't even know who they call her Emma Class. I don't be know me. You know for dope person show I be know say about Emma Class. I go say I go through the girl platform and they go through for look at my they say they get me talk so far talk about life, they do make something like snap comedy, do some kind certain things them. For buy for put it for prison, capture it, they give say be for influencer for some product for under the depressed committee them. So as they give that influencer, so you know say they already buy nice so we I tell you now, they need to say they give you money for buy you something. If you come up for a man can't give me some money, say I dash you the money. You know, so he did the dash that money, say that he dash for your own heart. But if you will take the money, you know, say the one I mean, no give, me no talk to guys say about it. They give the get influencer now. If spark, you go join that committee, call say the grandest committee. This girl, he be friend of one of the bloggers. If I don't even that one, I don't. He be friend of one of the bloggers them where they cause chaos. They do as they support the Veshela, they do this, they do this. They don't coach Lady B billionaire all kind style. I be banso, it tongue na banso, it tongue na this. Ben ma pona no side Emma Class come out. The Emma Class na cambe stroke banso that strong accent picking them. God bless it small so they can't pick it from that interior village. They take it go for a Beloa, go for Bafo Sam, other kind side the way we go. You go learn French and English, then the tongue not change. You come up for that kind of people that tongue they be so bad. Ya mami what ya mami na baso ya pa na Campbell or na pa na baso ya mami na Campbell. You come up for that kind of strong accent village. You come, you coach different man in accent. With the person of that kind, with the person that you come up for that village. You can't coach, you don't coach, there's be all kind of style. You join people them, you depress the dope Sierra, you depress Hezia Yoke. You depress Lady B. You way their background of a jaga. We your family of a jaga. Emma Class, you are a very lovely soul, soft spoken. But I hear your story. I feel pain. But at the same time, I say it saved you right. I be sorry. I be very sorry for saying that because we don't imagine say my people, the Emma Class. He come up for a family of disabled. He come up for a violent relation, a violent family. Where his papa, he was a violent person, a wife beater. Yeah, mommy they separate, they born they fall. His mommy come go marry different man again, born 5 pikin. So Emma Class na first out of 9. Emma Class grow for village, they move it because of separate relationship, they bring it for city. He go level 1. You know fit for he repeat level 1, he carry course on level 1. Because he had been a pion. Sometimes what talk so you don't already been as some spoiled brat eh. Sometimes what talk so you don't spoil you things. I don't know if it's missing a mistake because when you person already level 1 make mistake. You go get belle, your mommy disown you. Whether you be go antenatal or no be go antenatal, this girl born a pikin, this child is physically challenged. This child, America, they gonna say she is a handicap. She born a fine pikin, a pikin a girl in the 5 years today. You are not a kid. If you are pikin, be 5 years today, that means you don't be small pikin. If born the pikin come out with challenge. When you pinch the pikin in hands, if you need to shake, let's say be paralyzed. You feel the pikin, you feel pains for it bones them. It can no man no be ever know say the pikin get any Emma class get pikin. Because of the fear of the beehives, we beehive they be dictators. We beehive they be FBI's. Beehive they now I beehive they do I wash and get the beehive they. The investigating girls so they go for a mommy and sister test they be Emma class a friend for Dubai. So they be Emma class a friend for Dubai. Now the girl they say they see Emma class pikin. You know also the year that come Emma class don't get pikin no. Now then I say that to believe it too. He carry Emma class pikin picture. He send am. Emma class you don't buy market oh. You don't buy markets. I don't feel like you don't buy markets. They send that picture now for the beehive them. Emma they come now they write Emma class now half for your pikin. Emma class don't really wise before he run like expose his own self. You are not too wise there. Grandas them don't sit that one and no can talk say so Emma class will be get pikin. But look, hands are yo, where hands are yo, they can't expose hands are yo say get pikin a physically challenged pikin. They don't go abandon her for village. They talk all kinds of things. When they get hands are yo, they take care for a pikin, they suffer, they work for Dubai, do all kinds of things for Dubai. How Dubai play, how Dubai hard, how for the struggle, how mommy the struggle put chop for pikin for table. The girl don't do all kinds of things for a pikin, take the pikin for therapists, they all kind of doctor, the pikin no fit talk. That thing come for social media. Emma class. Yeah, and a group of people them, they bend for hands and yoke skin. They depress me, this girl. God. I be young, I be careful the matter. They can't talk say, why we get to coach picking them? I talk about how me since I've not been a picker nobody talk. I talk for 7 years. I try to encourage me this girl hands and yoke. I talk. But Emma class, where is small brother. Emma class is small brother. Now handicap. If Papa spend for a very long time, say, before Papa go retirement, he don't spend for his small brother, with his small brother and a handicap. This girl come up for a family of a handicap. He born a physically challenged child. But he can't join people them for coach another person, he pikin. They coach don't person that pikin say na ezemo. A mother. My people. They will not talk say when I go to thank the beehive, they will bring out people that depressed fashion for outside. Because this girl, I don't say it be very depressed, it be very emotionally down. Now when it join that kind of platform for things say when they bring other person down, it go console you. No, in my class, you are very young for that. You are very young for that. You have to build your platform. You don't get to look another person in platform say you are career. You ever put video, you go get for me the dictator, maybe they know what they put on a true or false. No, they control you. You are on cage. You know the pain of all this kind of handicap picking them. You know the pain of all this kind of physically challenged picking them. Because you don't really grow up with your brother be physically challenged. You born picking be physically challenged. You the struggle. You don't come expose you can't the cry people they can't tell you they're sick of that problem. When you're not there for the cause hands are young in picking. 1 million francs you know we get at that time for go operate your picking in hand they fine. Now you claim say you don't get money for operate the pikin. Take the pikin, take and go for Indian, China, all side the big work with your pikin. She is a child. For this kind of thing be happen, so you can join hands and yoke, you now build up this foundation. But since as you dey under the influence of others, now for day now you feel say you feel stand you one, but anything where they hide it must. I don't tell you say no hippo no for this behind them. We want make hippo when they move your life and they move in the truth. Most things they will be they talk not true. Because who said they be no Emma class? Go right to the ex of Emma class the house. Go find Emma class a big sister. Take Emma class a picture and all that picture they will be at them. Emma class, you are too young. You come up with a family of 9. You are the first. At the year story say the picky papa run you. You get money. For do all these things for your picking, but you can't stand for social media. You coach person, a single mother, hands are you, when he the struggle with the picking. Your own better say your pikin, if papa, if family they take care for that pikin. But hence are you the struggle like a mother. It hustle. Una call it all kind of for social media. Una damage me the girl. Una coach me this girl. Una put do person over that when I be the highest single mother. Una coach me that pikin say they Cameroon where my class own pikin in a village. My God. Your pikin in a village in my class. I not come for you any hard place, but I come for can't tell you when you see your life when you say don't come can talk. Because if you be a little dictator and know about your life, you know ever can stand for social media, you talk. You know, no matter ever know say you get pikin. No matter ever know say you come out for family of handicap. You know ever know say you come out for depressed home. You go under through trauma since from for your family then, your parents. But you stand for social media, you rubbish people there. I don't tell any man with the coach person there. For that kind bad way, for that kind black heart way, you know, so the person is depressed. Depression is real. In my class, my dear sister, you fuck up big time. You fuck up big time. Build your platform. Stand like an individual. Story where they meet me for yesterday, in my class where he say be map, he be influencer for some product. He work for Dubai. All the way they in my class the rubber for his skin. Now some company for Dubai where he produce a very good oil. Where some Cameroon they work for they too. He work at the back me they give brand ambassador. So they give brand ambassador. Where you be really influencer for some product where you get they go think saying that the oil where the rubber where they show for your skin. But the rub na different company oil will be very good. The oil be very good. You work a back influencer. This not a whoa. What I be you be advertiser. What I be influencer. What I be brand ambassador. So far as YouTube they give small money, you be known. You change life for the community. That is all. You don't get to work and go for people that inbox them. Work and go for people that private life they ask them they give brand ambassador. Who knows saying that so that I can find them? For that they make more for social media. Whenever they show so una be waiting for social media. No man in the wrong race una for yeah. No competition, no day for this social media. If you compete with your own self. How far you don't go, how far I go do for build my channel. But what you do? You try for find place where they bring down people then. You go coach them. You will be small picking. If you never reach 30 years, you will be small picking. You can't stand for your national television. You damage me. This sister Henzayo TV because of your picking. Their grand said that you don't respect. Don't say I don't feel block you because it know you so well. But grand they fail for understand say dopers be know the picking. Now dopers bring the picking for social media. Why you bite the hand when it fits you? Why? It show you the way for social media, for YouTube. If your story reach for a table, it look and so it laugh. It behave like grand say not to block you. If they call and say I block the person, I'm saying they block you with the way when they block different people, when they block people their wickedness, when they block people their hatred, when they block people their frustration for their hearts, when they use on own pain them, use and put them back for people them. Don't person I look up like a mature somebody, he look your file, he say you know now you go talk because he say consider you like a small picking. But then all man go look and so no, people they go pee you for the social media. Because if you really get that hand like that small picking, you go join for the course people their own picking. The way you get that kind of challenge, you there for your bed with tears. And they tell now for the social media, my people. You there for your bed with tears. You hook up, wipe your eye, put camera, coach different man so that may soft your heart. Then you cry, may God help you. Rethink. Let me say all this una other Ghana they wanna the coach hands a picking and dope as a picking. Let me say well, if they want go detailing, una get some things in. Not be hype, no nothing. In my class, you be see young girl. You are fight married. Now it depend for Diveshela. But if find master they hook for una. Una they bring down other people their life. Una they coach other people their single YouTubers their life. Una damage them, put their face on social media so they get HIV. So they get this. Una damage their life, make no man no marry them. Then una the one that now say, may they find master give una. Una no to, una look and detail, una two, una no big pew. una fear God. Una fear God. Una say una the coach even people they say they struggle go to worship for some countries there, but una get dream for come for that country. Ah, my people, the life no balance. If you do bad, you must one day expose. People they for una nyash, they investigate una. All the una master they the program for attach off una oh. They go them say una go dima for social media. They say you live by the sword, you die by the sword. You know if they damage different people their own life. When they make fake accounts them, when they carry people their face, they put them for day, when they put they get all kinds sick, when they damage me people them. Then una shino for una bed them, una cry for una own depression for una self. Then una go down for una knee, pray say God give me massa. Why una kill other people there for public? Ah. Aye. I talk so my heart the hot. I talk so my heart the hot in my class. Because I look you be well spoken, soft spoken. Man be carried away by our voice. But I don't be know say they all I don't be know me oh. So they all under the thinness, I don't be know me. To be frank and kind, I don't be ever know who they call us in my class. I don't be ever know. Now for those person show where I hear in my class, as it talk about that the touch person always speaking this say, I go look am. I see a past video how I don't coach Lady B. How Lady B the put eyelashes the Luna so you coach Lady B accent, you coach Lady B say no the body be barren wish where you dey for the God give picking be. Aye, the God there. The God. In my class, it is not too late. Person fit the way if you get solution for your picking. But you know if he tell you, even you can make pity party now. You can make pity party, but if they know if he tell you. Because you don't go both physical, you don't go medical, you know you go traditional, but there's a means of such illness. You claim so you get money now. Carry the picking, go me they fix the picking in hand. Hi. Or you join hands at yoke. Now build a foundation. All the people they work at carry people their private life them, carry people that news them, they send them they coach them. Una last go open no. We dey for social media, we will see. No man the run. We will see them. In my class, I said don't be social media before me sings. But today I nyash the open because you discover I said they don't bring your family. It is not too late, my dear sister. It is not too late to turn back. May they not fool you. May they not fool you. Don't person a bad person. Not a bad person. If he show you light will make you 100 francs. He look you so. He say if he help you. It's knife will block you. They get to look the person with different eye. Because if the person want look now say you be grander. They for pee you. They for pee you. So anybody they carry information give people them. Now look out. Because karma is real. I be tell you say the Dora Lawson no that to make us on a drama no. I get the fight, but I give privilege to who privilege we get to give for them. I give privilege for whatever I made a block. So that I will tell you the real story behind Dora Lawson. No matter where they can pass noise, they make call, social media, bring down your account, to do it in them. And noise they make them. Karma is real for the life. You go pay all your sin for the earth. You go pay all your sin for the earth before you die. Then the day God will judge you. Now for year you pay your sin. At the end they judge you, then I back for you. But you already pay yourself your hellfire. So my people, I hope I don't come to an end of this video. I beg me wanna like this video, wanna share and wanna subscribe. We will try to be united. We will try to be God-fearing. You know, people for some situation, you laugh any different person that you believe your own will solve. Lie to lie. Lie. So in my class, I bring you for my channel. I need to consider you like a small person. I need to consider you like a big YouTuber. You get your platform. I need to consider you like a grander. I bring you now for consider you like a normal YouTuber where I dey vlog all man. I dey vlog all man. So I give right for any man who vlog me. If I make mistake, correct me as well. I thank you so very much for watching me right to this moment. I remember on a one and only hot box 237. Una CEO. When are the only Ogboncio. When are the only Okpo. When I say the shake, I be Okpo. Yes, my people, my hair go fix my hair because the way I just put the hair any side, and I say basically half work you can't keep you. I just ramp out on work. I say I drop this one.